What I'm trying to get schools to do is establish the there. Because without this, we have no context. It's all theory. Once we have this in place, that's what I've been saying. All your conversations about microaggressions and implicit bias and racism, they're going to be compromised if you don't have the there in place. You've got to have this. And what too many schools are doing is they're going right to the important conversations without an anchor. And without an anchor, then it's judgment. Well, who says Rosario can learn that? Who says, why do you think Gina can learn this? But no. Because we don't start with the kid. We start with the crown. Put the crown in place. Let's do the work. And like you said, Kelly, from that right work, these issues are going to grow. But you want them to grow from fertile soil. And what too many schools are doing is they're running to the fire, the hot button topic. Everybody's talking about it. All of a sudden, folks who were selling baseball cards last year are writing educational books on equity and race. Come on now. So that's what we're doing. But what you said, Kelly, is everything. You got to have that in place, and then we deal, and it's going to be based on data. It's not going to be based on whether you're white or you're black or you're Latino. It's not going to be based on your experience. The issues of implicit bias, microaggression, racism, inequity is going to stem from only 40% of my kids have mastered this so far. What's going on? Some of it is this, some of it is that, could some of it be something else? But we got to have this in place. And that's the challenge I'm finding in schools, because without this, it's theory. Because you got no anchor.